All right, going to be installing the Thermalright 12th Gen contact frame on this gigabyte motherboard. Here's what comes with it. Contact frame itself. Torx, Allen key or whatever, and some thermal paste. I won't be using this thermal paste because I bought some better thermal paste, but it gives you some. Let's get this motherboard out. Now, I had already opened up this motherboard and just to install my SSD or M.2 drive, whatever you may call it. All right, so let's look. So I'm gonna have to take these 4 screws out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I gotta keep in mind that there is a plate under here. I installed my water block. I'm hoping that holds that frame in place, and I'll be able to screw it in quite easily, being that I did that beforehand. We'll find out. But let's get started. So I have my own tools, but let's try this tool that they send with it. Let's see how good it is. All right. So I think I want to say I should take the tension off it first. Never done this, removed one of these before. But that seems sensible, right? Oh, these don't have very much torque at all. All right. We're going to take that right out. I'll put that there for now. One more. Now, I'll be right back. I don't want to move it because I'm not sure if that plate stayed in place. So I'm going to try to screw them down. Be right back. Just keep that there. Get the processor. Okay. Let me get that to focus. 12900K. Here's my corner. Oh, that slid in so nice. nice and snug. Contact plate also has your arrow to know where you're putting it in. Oh, beautiful. All right, so let's grab these screws first. Twist it the wrong way. See, listen for the click. Twist it counterclockwise. You hear those clicks? It fell in. Thread it in. Thread it just. Oh, I see it just started to move. Okay. Let me get another screw in there. I'll put in the top one. Let's go for this one. Again, counterclockwise till I hear the click. That's one. There it is. Thread it in. All right. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. Counterclockwise. There it is. One more click just to make sure. I did it twice. There it is. I felt it. Go in. Okay. One more screw. And then we'll tighten these up a little bit evenly. Listen for the click. One click. Two click. Now they say with these, you just go until you hit a hard wall, and then you stop. There's the wall. All right, now I want to make sure my back plate or whatever did not move and my screws are all through them. Okay, that's this. That's the water block that's moving, but I don't know if you can see. By installing that water block early, I was able to screw all of the screws right in while that held it in place. That is quite nice. I'm just double checking, making sure here. All right. Let me take off some of this. If I can get under there. There we go. I don't know. Seems to be people love to see that done. Oh yeah, there's all kind of plastic. Don't mind me. I do this because I don't got no nails. I got a bad problem with biting nails, so there we go. That one. Another one here. I think there's one here too. I think I got all of that off of there. So that was the install of the Thermalright 12th gen frame. It was quite easy. All right.